Hi everybody, it's Lizzie and Ian from the Academy team, safely socially distanced. Now 2020 has been a very different year for everybody, but one thing that has stayed the same is the incredible Black Friday deals from Jessops.
That's right, Lizzie, and today we're going to bring you a collection of our very best deals, so hold on tight and let's go. This is Sony's best-selling full-frame mirrorless camera, the A7 III. It needs no introduction. It's on an incredible cashback deal. We're also giving you an Academy 1-to-1 1-hour online tutorial with this camera. Now, it's got a 24 million pixel resolution, it's got a 5-axis image stabilization built in, and it's got 4K video. So this is superb for both photographers and videographers.
This is the Nikon D5600 twin lens kit. So we get the 18 to 55mm standard lens, and you also get the 70 to 300mm telephoto lens. Both of these are VR, so you're going to get super steady photos. The great thing about the zoom lens is if you're maybe on a stay-at-home safari in your local park and you don't want to scare the wildlife off, you're going to get nice and close with this lens. Camera itself, massively versatile. We've got a nice flip-out screen here, which is perfect for your video recording and also shooting at awkward angles. This kit is exclusive to Jessops, so it's one not to be missed.
The legendary Canon EOS 5D Mark IV with an absolutely huge cashback saving this Black Friday. Now, if you want ultimate performance in a workhorse DSLR, this could be the one for you. It's got a 30 million pixel resolution, lightning quick autofocusing, and full weather resistancy, making it ideal for both amateurs and professionals alike. Now, this camera also comes with a 1-hour 1-to-1 session with our Academy team through an online tutorial.
If you're looking for that perfect vlogging camera, then look no further than this little beauty from Sony, the ZV-1. This has been designed purely with vloggers in mind. We've got a product showcase setting, which allows you to quickly swap focus between you and the product that you're trying to show off. We've got 4K video recording, 20.1 megapixels, incredible audio capabilities, and a lovely flip all the way around screen. Now, this camera was released earlier this year, so I'm so excited that it's in our Black Friday event with a better than half price saving on the Bluetooth grip.
And also a deal from Fujifilm, this is the X-T3. Now, this camera has a backside illuminated X-Trans sensor. Image quality is off the scale. Now, it's the focus system that's really good. It's improved hugely over its predecessor to be lightning quick. It's also got video capability that's also really impressive. 4K 60p internal recording, which was an absolute first when it first came out. Now, this camera comes with a free case and a grip, and not one to be missed.
This one's for those of you on the hunt for a new backpack. We've got the Vanguard VO Select 41 in green. It is the perfect size for those of you who've got a DSLR or mirrorless body and a few extra lenses that you want to carry around too. We've got a water and scratch resistant coating on the bag, and it also comes with a full waterproof cover for those classic British summer times. The nice thing about this backpack is the inside of it, its lining is a nice pale colour, so it will be really easy for you to find all your bits and bobs in there in the dark.
Now, if you want to enjoy the beautiful night sky at this time of the year, this telescope deal could be for you. This is the Celestron Ps1000 that is exclusive to Jessops. It comes with its own aluminium tripod, accessory tray, 3 eyepieces, a Barlow lens, so it's a really versatile kit. It epitomizes quality, value, and power.
It's not only cameras and cool tech that we've got offers on, we've also got an incredible 70% off all of our photo printing, wall art, and gifts this Black Friday.
Now, if you'd like to take pictures of incredible birds of prey just like this one, then why not sign up to a Jessops Academy Birds of Prey experience, which is currently on offer this Black Friday. Now, you can book with full confidence as we have a 12-month booking window and our dates start in spring 2021. Not one to be missed.
This is the awesome DJI Mavic Mini drone. It's perfect if it's going to be a first drone for somebody, packed full of DJI's intelligent flight modes and quick shots to make flying as simple as possible, but still allowing you to capture that epic footage. It's small, it's compact, just like its name. It's also available in a Fly More combo with extra batteries to keep you in the air longer. This is our best price drone.
Now, if you've got mountains of pictures locked away on hard drives, maybe up in the cloud or even on a smartphone that you never ever see, then why not display them once in a while? We have the exclusive Jessops digital picture frame, which is 10 inches, that would do just the job this Black Friday, and it's half price.
Another knockout deal from DJI with the Ronin SC Pro Combo Gimbal. This is the smaller of the Ronins, designed for your mirrorless and DSLR setups. It is perfect for the on-the-go shooter with its modular design, so it packs down nice and small to fit into your backpack, and we've got a 12-hour battery life. If you're after silky smooth video footage, then this is a deal not to be missed.
Now, we've all been doing our fair share of exercise walks in the last few weeks, and if you have been out and you've spotted something you want to bring closer, then you could be up for a binocular bargain. Let me introduce you to the Jessops exclusive 1025 compact binoculars, which are waterproof, and they're also half price. Now, the 10 times magnification means you can get really close into things, and the objective at the front means they're really bright, but also very compact. Now, these binoculars also come with a case, a strap, and a lens cleaning cloth.
If you've got some old VHS or camcorder tapes lying around and you've been meaning to update them to a digital format, so either to DVD or USB so that you can relive those childhood moments, this is a Black Friday treat for you. We have currently got 50% off all of our Restore and Revive services. This is the Dji Osmo Action. So if you're after a tough waterproof camera, this could be the one for you. Not only do we have a back LCD screen, but we've also got a front-facing screen, so you can make sure you're always centered in the action. It's waterproof, you've got 4K video recording, so you can take it on all of your travel adventures. This Black Friday, it's our lowest price action camera, and it also comes with a charging kit.
So many deals, right, Lizzie? And there is a few more that are just hot off the press. We have some cashback deals from Fujifilm and Canon on lenses. We also have up to 10% off of home technology, so go and check those out as well.
So that's it, guys, some of our very best deals. But of course, there are lots more, so don't forget to head over to jessops.com or click on the link.
And don't forget, you can get your product ordered and delivered to your home address, or you can use our click and collect service for stores. That's right, you can pick up your product from any of our nationwide stores on the same day. So thanks for watching and happy shopping.